God, you don't look like the kind of person that would have tattoos. Or what's the kind of person that would have tattoos? Like, what does that mean?
There's so many people come to me and they've got such a negative view on the scales that they've either been told don't weigh themselves, or they've been told that they should weigh themselves, or whether they should weigh themselves just once a week and they should never do it every day, or other people have told them to do it every day. There's so many opinions on it.